अच्छा।
और इमेजिन करो 400 स्क्वायर फीट का एक छोटा सा घर, एक बाथरूम जिसमें 40 लोग भरे हैं, और वो 40 लोग भरे इसके लिए क्योंकि उनके पास पैसे नहीं है।
Right now, of course, I'm the first one in the world, and I think I'm the only one right now. There's nobody else who's done a PhD in the subject. Kudos to us Indians,
Yes.
right?
What inspires or motivates you the most?
The successful people around me, it can be in any field.
Texting or talking?
Talking, yes.
We have to understand two major things which has changed not only financial services but the world of technology. One is Lehman Brothers fall and 9/11 situation where financial services has gone global big way. Earlier there were two financial services hub which was considered. One was New York, Wall Street, another was London, the head of many important banks.
कि मेरे फादर ऊंट पे थे, मैं शायद आज होंडा में हूँ, मेरा बेटा फरारी में रहेगा, लेकिन उसका बेटा वापस ऊंट पे जाएगा, घोड़े पे जाएगा, क्योंकि वो कंफर्ट जोन में है, वो स्ट्रगल नहीं कर सकता। 140 करोड़ के पॉपुलेशन का देश, 140 करोड़ लोग हैं देश में, कि कंपनीज वाले रोते हैं कि हमें अच्छा टैलेंट नहीं मिलता, और अच्छे टैलेंट वाले रोते हैं कि हमें अच्छा जॉब नहीं मिलता। कि इंडिया में आज जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो अप टू मार्क होना चाहिए था, वो आज भी अप टू मार्क नहीं है। खास करके 12, 13, 14 साल के लोगों को सबको करोड़पति बनना है बिना मेहनत किए। ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेसेस अगर अपने आप के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी और ब्रांडिंग में अपडेट नहीं करेंगे तो खत्म हो जाएंगे। इंडिया में लास्ट 5 साल में जो स्टार्टअप्स का क्रांति आया है, उसमें 99% तो लोगों को उल्लू बनाने में आया। ये बहुत बड़ा स्टेटमेंट बोल रहा हूँ।
अच्छा।
क्योंकि वो स्टार्टअप्स का एक ही मकसद था कि हम पैसा कमाए और वैल्यू न दें। और मैं ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोलना चाहूंगा, बायजूस बहुत अच्छा कंसेप्ट, बहुत अच्छे लोग, लेकिन आज देखो 22 बिलियन डॉलर और आज 22 लाख भी नहीं है उनके पास, टाइम पे सैलरी दे नहीं सकते। बिजनेस में अप एंड डाउन होते, बहुत नॉर्मल है, लेकिन स्टार्टअप का एक उद्देश्य होना चाहिए कि हमें सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं खड़ा करना है, हमें वैल्यू देना है और हमें सस्टेनेबल प्रॉफिटेबल बनना है। और यूथ को आज ये मेरा गोल्डन स्टेटमेंट आप लिख के रख लो, आपको कस्टमर के लिए मार्केटिंग करना पड़ेगा। ये टाइम आ गया है कि आपको अच्छे एम्प्लॉयज के लिए भी मार्केटिंग करना पड़ेगा। वाई वर्क विद अस, ऐसा एक पेज बनाना पड़ेगा। आपके इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे एक राउंड आपके एम्प्लॉयज भी आपका इंटरव्यू लेंगे कि सर हम आपके पास क्यों काम करें, आपके पास ऐसे क्या बेनिफिट्स है, फ्यूचर ग्रोथ प्लान क्या है, हमको लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है। ये टाइम आने वाला है या आ चुका है। जो स्टार्टअप इसको सीरियसली नहीं लेगा उसको टैलेंट नहीं मिलेगा।
The world's first image scientist and impact strategist has been honored with several national and international awards.
I have about 3 decades of work experience, and out of that, about 2 decades goes into corporate. The genesis of the thought of this book actually came from the FICCI Summit 2013, where they shared that by 2030, India will be one of the youngest nations in the world. When I read that, my eyes just popped up and I was like, wow, what an opportunity for India. Imagine having such a young workforce by 2030. And instantly I asked myself, Kuljit, what can you do? Where I saw there was a common denominator. That common denominator was the lack of ability, or shall I say the lack of prowess to be able to make an impact. And this happened regardless of age and experience of people. Lesser known to most people, the image industry itself has a 7-level hierarchy of sorts, starting with level 1 and the topmost is level 7. And this is based on the proficiency, on the educational qualifications, on the depth of study, on experience and so on and so forth. And get yourself to be an incredible version of yourself. Keep working in yourself. I think if you keep investing in yourself, you will eventually get there. But if you think, I'm okay the way I am and I don't need to work, then I mean, nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, with me, let us welcome our guest for today, for this podcast, none other than Mr. Jugal Mittal.
I'm successfully running this organization for past 20 years now. We have got that privilege to be in a successful, powerful, influential position. It is our inherent duty to help them out. So with this vision, a particular branch I started called Rukmani Rajendra Education Foundation, which is in my mother and father's name. Let me begin with the population of India, which is 1.4 billion. Most of the important thing is that there cannot be 100% rule. You have to start with certain percentage. see for the things, how things go. So that all depends on how are you conditioning your mind. I would like everyone to have this belief inside them that whatever level physical fitness they are in their life, they don't need to become a next Hrithik Roshan, Tiger Shroff or Sylvester Stallone to become fit in life. There are kids who are born in good homes. There are kids who are born on the street. There are kids who are born in the slum and stuff like that. So when their parents are auto drivers, slum dwellers and stuff like that, they don't even think about the structured education.
इसी के साथ हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं डॉक्टर रितेश वर्मा।
कोई भी आईटी प्रोजेक्ट में दो पार्ट होते हैं. वन इज द टेक्नोलॉजी, पीपल हु आर इन टेक्नोलॉजी, अदर पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड डोमेन, people who understand banking, the regulatory things, the capital markets, insurance, the whole process. Ki suppose the regulators have said XYZ, what it means and what code needs to be changed. People going to a bank branch, it had gradually changed to internet banking. Now it has changed to bot, where the artificial intelligence has come into picture. 24/7 customer support has come into picture. The predictive analytics has come into picture. When someone uses a credit card and the spend is more, then automatically the analytics at the background goes and the upgrade of the credit card is offered. Everyone wants to do transaction through their phone, mobile banking, wherever they are, irrespective of the part of the world. All they need is internet. And it's not only about individual, it's also about the business or enterprise. Lots of data is being generated. As the data increases, the cyber security, the cyber crimes are also increasing. To prevent those, the multi-layer cyber security, the multi-layer mobile security, the mobile banking, and the new technologies like blockchain is getting implemented into financial services for smart contracts.